How to set FPL formation to false 9. Let's get started. If you are looking to adjust your strategy and want to learn how to make this change, keep watching. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you'll find different options. Navigate to the option of Fantasy. Then click on the option of Pick Team. Now over here, you'll find your team. First up, let's talk about false 9 formation. In FPL, the false 9 formation is 4-3-3 setup. You will have 4 defenders, 3 central midfielders, forming a triangle and 3 strikers. You can see that my team is currently set up in a 3-4-3 formation. We will need to switch this to a 4-3-3 formation. To do this, let's say I want to bring Dallo to the team. You have to click on that player. Now click on the option of substitute. I'm going to substitute this player with one of my midfielder, Foden. And now you can see that the formation has changed to false 9. Once you're done, you can click on the option of confirm given at the top right corner. So this is how you can easily set up FPL formation to false 9. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.